In this video, I'm going to cover the most commonly used communication documents and explain how to use them. First, I would like to say the full block format is the most common letters format. Now, I'm going to cover parts of a letter. First of all, the heading includes your company's address. Next, we have a date line. Try to leave 4 lines before you type the date line and fully spell out months. Next, we have the inside address. It is important to note that the inside address is always against the left margin of a document 2 lines below the date line. Next, the salutation is the part of a letter which is 2 spaces below the inside address. Next, we have the body of the letter, or the main point of what you're going to say. This portion of a letter is 2 spaces below the salutation. Next is the complimentary close. This includes one of the following closing phrases: sincerely, respectful, or sincerely yours. Next, we have the signature, which is 4 spaces between the complimentary close and your signature. Then we have the enclosure line, which can include proposals. Lastly, we have the copy notation. This part of a letter informs the reader that a copy of the letter has been sent to others. So as you can see, a letter has many parts, and each part shows professionalism and represents your company's image. Now to discuss business letters. First, we have inquiry letters. Inquiry letters ask a question about a product or a service provided by a company. Cover letters are an outline of what to expect in a document. Special request letters ask for information about a product or company. Sell letters persuade others to buy something. Customer relation letters are primarily used to maintain healthy relationships between workers in a workplace. Follow-up letters are sent after a sale has been made and is a thank you letter. On the other hand, there are complaint letters. In these type of letters, it is important to state exactly why you are unhappy with a product or service. Adjustment letters are the response to a professional complaint letter. These letters let the unhappy customer know how their claim will be fixed. Next, we have refusal of credit letters. These letters are letting an individual or company know that they are not allowing credit. Lastly, we have collection letters. These letters deal with non-payment of a complaint. Now we will move on to memos. The parts of a memo are as follows. First, we have the header. This is the identifying information at the top of the memo. The identifying information includes 4 parts. These parts include adding to, from, the date, and the subject line. Next is the message itself. When discussing the main message, be sure to include the following answers to these questions: when, who, where, why, cost, technology, and what's next. Lastly is the conclusion, and here you need to make sure the reader knows how you want them to respond to the memo. So as you can see, a lot goes into conducting communication between companies or even within a company. Thank you.